Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new series, Roblox Roleplay Bot Development. I'm super excited to dive into this with you all. In this video, we'll introduce the course and get you ready to start building your own Discord bot for Roblox Roleplay servers. You might be asking yourself, what is Discord.js? Well, Discord.js is a powerful Node.js library that allows developers to interact with the Discord API. It's a tool that helps us build bots and automate tasks on Discord servers. If you're not familiar with the term API just yet, don't worry. You'll get the hang of it as we move along. It is the most widely used JavaScript library for building Discord bots. Next up, you might be wondering, what are we going to do in this series? Here's the exciting part. In this course, we're going to make a Discord bot for Roblox roleplay servers. Me as SkyLarson and LostKeys will guide you through the course from setting up the base of the bot to advanced commands. Get ready for an exciting adventure. So, are you ready to get started? And in case you're thinking, what if I have a doubt? If you have or will have any doubt in future, be sure to hit either me, SkyLarson, a DM on Discord, or LostKeys, Karutska. So thanks for watching this amazing introduction part of this series. Let's get started very soon.